Hi fellow mathematicians, we're going to look at numbers to the second decimal place here, part of place value. This is a number bead, you've seen me use this in class before. What I'm going to do is show what it's worth. This is one whole, it's one unit, we say 1 or 1.0 as a decimal number. Here I've taken a second bead string exactly the same length, but I've broken it down to 10 equal sections. So what's this worth? Well, it's 1 part out of 10, so it's 1/10. As a decimal number, that's 0.10. Because remember, I'm going to the second decimal place here. Okay, in this image, I've looked at 2 of those tenths. So together, this will be 2/10, which is the same as 0.20. You might be looking at this, well I hope you are, and you're going to realise there's 20 of those beads there, and the number I've written, 0.20, it looks a bit like 20. Now here I've taken another number bead. Taken this section of a tenth and I've split it down into another 10 parts. Each of these is not worth a tenth, because remember, it's part of one long number bead. Each of these is 1 out of 100 beads on my string. As a number, that has a value of 0.01. That's how we show 100th as a decimal number. So it's a much smaller part than a tenth, and that's a much smaller part than one whole. Okay, here is a place value grid. You've all seen these before, over many, many years. I put some place value counters in them. The counters show that there are 2 ones, 1/10, and 2 hundredths. So I'm filling in my stem sentence here. The number it represents is actually 2.12. The number 2.12 represents my 2 ones, my 1/10, and my 2 hundredths. Slight variation here. I can see 3 ones, 1/10, and 2 hundredths, representing 3.12. So again, representing 3 ones, 1/10, 2 hundredths. Now I've changed my place value table. You'll notice some columns have nothing in them. Well, what have I got? I've got 2 hundredths, 2 ones, and 2 hundredths. Now a silly answer to this would be to say the number is 222, 222, but that's wrong. I've got 200, no tens, 2 ones, no tenths, and 2 hundredths. So the number is actually 202.02, which represents my 2 hundredths, my 2 ones, and my 2 hundredths. Also be careful of that sound on the end there, haven't we? Okay, so here's what you're going to be doing on your online learning today. You will look at the place value table first. Read the counters, think of values. Then you're going to fill in stem sentences. In fact, you're going to write them out. It's this which you'll be marking later on. If there's anything you're not sure of, you can go back and watch this video whenever you fancy. Good luck.